Ladies, here's a relationship hack. If you're not the beauty that can inspire that masculine to change, he's not the one. Notice your job isn't to change him, you can't do that. But does your presence inspire him to elevate his mindset? Without prompting and threatening him, is that man evolving? If not, you're not the girl, and he's settling for you because he views you as easy, which allows him to rest in his low vibrational energies. Raise your vibrations and keep moving. Every man, every beast, sorry for the innuendo, fellas, have a beauty that will inspire them to step into their power. Learn to decipher what that man actually thinks of you. You will save yourself some heartaches when you do. Trust the way he naturally reacts to you when he's not being prompt with those checklists. Now go back and read that Beauty and the Beast story again. And think about the lessons unfolding from a deeper lens. You can learn something from anything. Pay close attention to the notes of gentleness unfolding here. The feminine is naturally more gentle with her masculine, and the masculine, when it's his feminine, he will be open to her love. That wasn't just a story of girl meet guy and they fall in love. Life isn't a place for just frivolous romance stories. There's a deeper meaning here that connects to the soul. Love and light, friends.